You really taking her?
Yeah.
Sorry, you guys come watch this. Where's the video?
Well, I walk into
know.
the room, passing out $100 bills, and it kills and it thrills like the horns on my Silverado grill. I buy the bar double-rounded crown, and everybody's getting down in this town. It ain't ever gonna be the same. 'Cause I saddle up my horse and I ride into the city. I make a lot of noise 'cause the girls, they are so
What?
pretty.
I can't if I want. It's a music video. See how much they move? I ruined the video.
Save the horse, ride a cowboy. Everybody say, save a horse, ride a cowboy. Well, I don't give a dang about nothing, 'cause I'm singing and bling-blinging while the girls are drinking. Long neck down, and I wouldn't trade old Leroy for my Chevrolet or Escalade or Freak Parade. I'm the only John Wayne left in this town, so I saddle up my horse and I ride into the city. I make a lot of noise 'cause the girls, they are so pretty. Riding up and down Broadway, my own Dudley Royce, and girls say, save a horse, ride a cowboy. Everybody says, save a horse, ride a cowboy.
Check this.
Oh, I'm a hopeful.